Well, I'm not going to speed, sorry.
Brendan's camera actually shows up the road better than your car.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, I put it on high beam and it made it even worse.
I hope Joe's not driving.
Oh, she might be out of it. She might have already drove through it. So, Mum, at the moment, you've passed the memorial and you're going down to a roundabout down here. Oh, that truck. If I was that truck, I'd pull over. The lights aren't doing anything, are they?
No.
Street light.
No.
Mum, I can't need a wash after.
Definitely a waste of all those people that washed their car this morning.
It's school time.
Can I see that? Zoom into it. Oh, it's just a really bright light. Upper 40 school zone.
I haven't got my phone on me and I don't think Jackie's got hers, so...
Oh, well, Jackie's not allowed to leave, it's a lockdown.
So they'll keep them in the hall.
Keep them in the hall until this is over.
Dad didn't realise those blue things in the middle of the road aren't actually in the middle of the road.
Oh. Alright. My phone shows up everything really nice.
Tell us if there's anyone in the middle of it.
Because I could see that corner before I could see it with my own eyes.
Well, there is a truck up there.
Yeah. Shouldn't it have lights on the back of it?
It has slightly.
Oh.
Yeah, it has it on.
Well, you should turn your hazards. Can you turn your hazards on while you're driving?
There's no coverage, I can't send a message to that.
I don't know how I'm going to be able to turn.
Well, I don't know if I should really even go to work, should I?
Well, I doubt very much to be happening in there at the moment.
They might close the door.
I don't want to go into the
Siren somewhere.
There might be someone's car going.
Yeah, it sounded more like a car alarm than a... Because it was going...
It might be safer to just sit in Woolworths and wait for it to go over.
I don't want to be under those shade sails.
No. Park out the back. Well, this power. Everywhere has power.
Yeah, everyone's got power.
That's
It's
it.
just the dirt.
Look at my camera,
so
Kel.
thick.
Go.
Well, I can drop you off, Brent, but I will just go park somewhere.